Hey, what's up? What's going on here?
I'm collecting the rubbish. I'm
that's
cleaning
my
up
phone,
the trash.
man. But that's my phone, man.
That's your phone? It's a piece of garbage. This is a phone?
What are you talking
this
about?
A phone?
The piece of garbage.
Maybe that worked back in 1970. I don't know. That looks like a piece of fucking trash
you don't
to me.
even know. Government is bugging you, man. You got a cell phone.
Yeah, it's pretty important if the government's bugging you.
I'm a private citizen.
You're a private citizen who maybe wants to be a criminal someday. Thanks. I look forward to you setting that up for us.
We had horrible reviews in the last few days. One of them is actually referring to you specifically, Sean. But never mind that. To make things worse, we have this influencer guy coming in, like in a few days. So we need to make extra sure to suck up to everyone else here that hasn't made a review yet.
Mind me asking who made the complaint?
I'm not really sure, it was anonymous.
It was anonymous. I think I have an idea who it was, yeah.
You know, is he still here?
He's still here. We can definitely make it better with him.
Yes, if you can, and if you know what triggered him, please suck up as much as you can.
Don't worry, we'll find out what triggered him.
Oh! Are you the new check-in? We only have a few curfew rooms. All the rooms are identical.
Most of the bathrooms flooded over. Wads of hair, look like dead rats. Dirty footprints, soaking wet towels. How's that to you?
Typical. Dirty fucking cunts.
One of these days, just want to give one of the guests what they really deserve. But our fucking knives are so dull that they can't even cut through a tomato.
Excuse me, what is this?
I believe that's a towel.
It's a rough towel.
It's a rough towel.
Yeah. Hurts my face.
Hurts your face? Do you have particularly sensitive skin or
You're making fun of me?
I'm not making fun, I'm concerned. It sounds like you might have a problem.
No. Like I can't wipe my face, I can't wipe my hands. So
Like
rough.
your ass, I bet. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Of course, sir. Yes,
Please.
absolutely.
Please.
Thank you for giving me the towel.
Okay, no problem. Just bring in my room.
Unbelievable. Fucking people.
My grade means something in this stuff, you know?
Oh.
Like, I can make it or break it.
Oh.
Don't worry, I'm just... My battery is almost dead, like...
Oh, no,
I lost
the charge.
I lost my charger. Oh, that would be great.
No, we have it on the reception. No problem.
Thanks, man. Just a couple of minutes.
Yeah, sure, nothing.
Well, since my baby left me, well, I found a new place to dwell. Well, it's down at the end of Lonely Street, that Heartbreak Hotel. I'm so lonely, I'll be so lonely to die. All the doors always crowded, you still can find some room.
Hey, were you looking for the blanket?
Yeah, thanks, mate. It's so cold.
So cold. You know, it's like 37 degrees outside, and it's about 11 degrees in here.
Oh, I like it that way. Can you please cover me, mate? Please, why not?
Can I cover you?
Yeah.
Okay. Better? Alright.
Hey, wait.
Yeah?
Could you also bring me a cup of tea, please? To warm up.
I need to bring you
Cup of
tea.
Yeah, thanks.
course.
Bye.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Pretty well.
What are you up to?
Nothing special.
Yeah? Enjoying the view?
No.
No? Yeah? You sure?
No.
I know what you're up to, you fucking pervert.
No.
Come on. Time to
No,
go.
I didn't do nothing.
Get in.
Well, since my baby left me, well, I found a new place to dwell. Well, it's down at the end of Lonely Street, that Heartbreak Hotel.
I don't know. That volunteer is a little strange, weird. I don't know what's going
I'll
on.
try and have a word.
I appreciate that. Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Well, since
What
my
the
baby
fuck?
left me,
What's it,
well, I
90
found a new
degrees?
place to dwell. Well, it's down at the end of Lonely Street,
Coffee.
Heartbreak Hotel where I'll be just so lonely, baby.
Sugar.
I'm so lonely. I'll be just so lonely.
Colder one.
Although it's always crowded, you still can find some room for broken-hearted lovers to cry there in the gloom. Be so, I'll be so lonely, baby. I'll be so lonely.
I know it's 3 in the morning, but if you could go out and buy me a pack of cigarettes, that would be great.
What the fuck? You asked for this?
Yeah, you can clean it. It's a little messy, but yeah, just do it. I have to admit something to you. I decided a long time ago, as soon as I came, I think I'm gonna give you the lowest grade. No, I'm sure I'm gonna give you the lowest grade. It's not your fault, like, you did everything I said. You're fine, nothing personal, don't worry. So far, I'm not satisfied. Like I said, it's not your fault. You did everything, you're a good boy. But, sorry, like, it's 1. What's the problem?
What's the problem? I'm gonna fucking kill you, you cunt!
I'm gonna send the review. I'm gonna fucking send it.
We didn't get any bad reviews.
Oh, that's good to hear.
We didn't get any good reviews.
Well,
The standard remains.
bare minimum. Good standard.
I'm very happy I didn't have to let you go.
Let me go. You don't even pay me, man.
Exactly. That's why I was really happy not to.